One of the biggest trends in recent times has been the move back to having plants indoors. There's a huge body of work that suggests that having plants indoors dramatically improves the quality of the air we breathe. But there's also an intangible benefit that's difficult to quantify, and that's the mental health benefits plants indoors and out have on our psyche. And one person who understands this more than most is my friend and the CEO of the Breast Cancer Research Centre of WA, Carmelo Arto. Carmelo, the work that your team does is amazing. Tell us about it.
Well, we're one of the busiest breast cancer trials units in Australia. We're currently running 33 trials, and we run pharmaceutical trials. So patients get access to treatments that sometimes others haven't got access to for 5 to 7 years.
Wow.
So essentially in this building now we've got more surgeons, more oncologists, more psychologists and geneticists. So we now have key players in the breast cancer space all in the one building, with radiology downstairs, with Perth Radiological Clinic and Genesis Care, and patients have got most of what they need within this building, and we've also got 4 breast care nurses. The environment's very important to our patients because a lot of people at first diagnosis, it's quite a stressful situation. Sometimes they come in with their partner and their family, so the whole family's involved. We need to create a calming environment that we can minimise the stress. We can make it as comforting as possible, and that's what all our people are about. They're all patient-focused and creating an environment that's as good as we can make it for when the patients come in. And I've actually been growing sort of roses for the last 3 to 5 years. A lot of them are bicolour and fragrant roses, so that also adds to the atmosphere. And I bring those in on a daily basis now that they're blooming. So and patients love it. That's what we're all about. It's really about what's going to lead to the best outcome for breast cancer patients, and anything we can do in that regard is what we're and the plants and the environment plays a big part in that.
This is an incredible organisation doing some really important work in our community. So we at the Garden Gurus wanted to help, and we asked some of our friends to help as well, Banara Nurseries, and they backed us with some spectacular indoor plants. Ficus are great indoor plants, but outdoors they turn into giant trees. The Norfolk and Lord Howe Islands have some beautiful palms, and the Kintia is a worldwide hit because it does so well in low light conditions, and it's tough, but it's always graceful. Dracaena colorama is another great plant with its striking bright colours used to brighten up any space and also people's moods. If you or a friend have been impacted by breast cancer and would like to learn more about the amazing work done by the Breast Cancer Research Centre of WA, then visit this website.